Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, a machine that blurs the line between luxury touring motorcycle and full-time micro-adventure home on wheels. This is the 2026 Honda Goldwing Tiny Home Camper, a concept that has completely redefined what long-distance motorcycle travel can look like in the modern era. At first glance, the Goldwing itself is already legendary. For decades, it has been the benchmark for comfort, reliability, and effortless touring performance. But the 2026 Tiny Home Camper Edition takes that foundation and builds an entirely new lifestyle on top of it. This isn't just about riding anymore, it's about living, exploring, and staying independent wherever the road takes you. Let's start with the design, because this is where the magic becomes obvious. The camper module is seamlessly integrated behind the Goldwing, shaped with smooth aerodynamic curves that echo Honda's signature styling. It doesn't look like an awkward trailer bolted on as an afterthought. Instead, it feels purpose-built, almost factory-born, with paint-matching, LED lighting, and flowing lines that complement the motorcycle's futuristic bodywork. Despite being compact, the tiny home unit is surprisingly sophisticated. The exterior uses lightweight composite materials and reinforced aluminum framing, keeping the overall weight low while maintaining excellent structural strength. Honda's engineers have clearly obsessed over balance and stability, ensuring the camper tracks perfectly behind the bike even at highway speeds or through long, sweeping mountain roads. Now let's talk about the interior, because this is where the tiny home name truly earns its reputation. Step inside, and you're greeted by a smartly arranged living space that feels far larger than its dimensions suggest. There's a convertible bed that folds neatly into a seating area during the day, complete with plush cushioning and ergonomic support. Along one side, you'll find a compact kitchenette featuring an induction cooktop, a small sink with fresh and gray water tanks, and modular storage cabinets for utensils, food, and essentials. Everything is designed to be rattle-free and secure, even on rough roads. Storage is another area where this camper quietly shines. There are hidden compartments under the floor, overhead cabinets, and exterior access hatches for riding gear, tools, and camping equipment. Honda clearly understands that long-distance riders carry more than just clothes, and the layout reflects real-world touring needs. Powering the entire setup is the legendary 1833cc flat-six engine of the Goldwing, refined for 2026 with improved fuel efficiency, smoother throttle response, and reduced vibration. Even with the camper attached, the bike remains remarkably composed. Acceleration is steady and confident, cruising at highway speeds feels effortless, and overtaking traffic is still well within its comfort zone.